What's up guys, Jamar, Dawson, Remnant Outdoors. Hope you're doing great. And as promised, we're gonna review this Streamlight TL-Racker. This is for the Mossberg 500 or 590 series of shotguns. There's a version that they have for Remington 870s, but obviously this is for this gun here. So let's go ahead and dig right into it. I have not put it on yet. This is gonna be the first time, and so we're gonna be able to experience this together. Let's go ahead and dig in. All right, so this is the box that came in. Here is the Streamlight TL-Racker. It is looks like it's a two-piece hard plastic. There's this really good gripping here. You got the light obviously right here integrated into the actual apparatus, and from what I've read online, this is the battery component. It's actually a little bit better than I've heard in some of the reviews, but from what it looks like, it looks a little more robust, but yeah, pretty good. So it comes with these two batteries. Definitely gonna order a couple more, but these are the CR123As, and it's gonna take two of these things. But yeah, I really like it. It's really a very simple design. It's not too heavy, but it doesn't feel like it's too light and cheap. And this is the ambidextrous actuation of the light. So all you gotta do is hit this. Let me see if you can see it well. All you gotta do is kind of hit this, boom, and then that hit it again, and then it turns off. So real simple there. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in this thing. All right, so really all you need is like a coin, and this is pretty clamped on there. All you need is a coin to open this thing up here. There we go. Do not want to cross thread this. There we go. All right. So it is immediate on off, not bad. So it works from this side, works from this side. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, so the light works. Let's go ahead and put it on the shotgun. This should be relatively simple to take apart and put on. Let's go ahead and do this. And I did make sure that my gun is safe. So that is something you certainly want to do. Make sure the safety's on. Make sure your gun is safe and empty. Just go ahead and take this top cap off. Barrel here. So there's some notches on either side of this nut here, and you need something like a castle wrench to be able to loosen it. All right, finally we got this crap off. Just comes just right off like that. Not too bad. So this is just gonna simply go right over this. So, now we're gonna put the retaining ring back on here. All right, we got that on there nice and tight, and now we're just going to put everything else back together. All right, let's check functionality real quick. Everything seems to be in good working order there. Light seems to be working. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and put the barrel back on. And that's it. So we are good to go. It's a nice little looking shotgun there. That's it. So one of the things I was initially worried about was because of the placement of the light being right under the magazine tube. I was like, man, is this gonna cast a huge cylindrical shadow? But it's really not that bad. When I had the side mounted flashlight, it was kind of located like right around here or so. And so anything to the right cast a shadow. I think this is kind of the perfect spot. It doesn't really cause a distracting shadow, because whatever I'm pointing at, it's perfectly illuminated. As you can see up there, there's a little bit of a dark circle up there, but it's nowhere near where a target would be if there's a target. All right, guys, I got pretty high marks to give this nice little forend here. So, I mean, there's a really cool little kind of like half pipe U-ramp thing right here. And it is excellent for putting your fingers there, and it really helps with racking the slide, much better so than the stock slide. So, I mean, you can almost do this like a trigger. You don't even need to have full engagement. Look at that. Look at that. And you could rack this thing. The light is 1000 lumens, so it is freaking hot. This actually little housing right here is still warm, and you just hover your hand over the glass and you could feel heat radiating from it. But you know, it gives you about 1.5 hours, if I remember correctly, of on time. This touch panel here isn't too sensitive. It really has like a feel to where it's a, you know, almost like a click. In some cases, if we push it in the right place, it will click. But yeah, man, this is really, really, really good. You could actuate it from this side or this side here. It only adds a few ounces, I believe, to the actual gun. I know it's heavier than the original piece just because it has the batteries and a thicker housing, and of course the light apparatus. So it's going to add just a little bit more weight, but not a whole lot. Not a whole lot to where it's uncomfortable. I can keep my hand out there and it's not like it's a big deal. It's super comfortable having my hand right there. It's intuitive, it's just natural, and I think a lot of people are going to like this particular light forend combo. I would give this an A. I'm gonna add some more doodads to this to make it the ultimate shotgun for home defense, but as of right now, it's rock solid. The only thing you have to worry about with this shotgun, you're only getting about 1.5 hours of light, which is still pretty good. I mean, you're not gonna be rolling around, you know, clicking this on and off a whole lot. Once you do it a couple of times, you'll kind of just leave it in the off position. But you only get 1.5 hours of light, so you might want to get some more CR123A batteries. It takes 2 of those. But this is it, man. I really enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we're going to continue to build this shotgun into a home defense beast. So God bless. Like, comment if you'd like to, and please subscribe. We're going to be doing some really cool things in the future. God bless. Stay safe. Peace out.
Chinese wings with the fries, you know I need that. Priest on my neck, super fly, you know I keep that. Jordan 45 on my side when you